like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Subaru Outback. This is a collision damage vehicle, but I'm going to show you the engine compartment first. Nice and clean under the engine compartment, no structural damage. Radiator, condenser, everything is good. Vehicle starts right up. Lot drives. Let's take a quick look. Zoom out a little bit. There you go. Nice and square on the front end. Got a little damage to the fender and hood over here. Appears that something fell on the roof. Zoom out again. Left front door looks pretty clean. Left rear door has some repairable damage here. We got a nice chop right here. Probably gonna need a roof skin. Right rear cord is clean. It's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at the roof again. From this angle. Not too bad. This side looks pretty clean. Let's take a quick look inside. It's a nice touring model, fully loaded. Nice leather interior. No airbags deployed. Also a plus. Really nice. Pretty easy fix. Got a little damage on the right front door there. It's a good builder. Nice vehicle. It's going to be sold with a salvage title. Also on the website soon. Thanks for watching.